It's my last day in quarantine. Thank God. I can literally smell the freedom, bro. What better to do on your last day in quarantine than tee the fuck up? I'm having a quarantine celebration. I'm going to do my hair, beat my face, do my nails, put on an outfit, and I'm gonna drink and have a whole fucking feast. And you guys are coming along. I'm excited. If you're not excited, it's okay, because I'm excited. I'm excited enough for all of us, bro. I'm so fucking excited. And yes, I have a shirt on, and if I didn't, what? First, hair makeup. Okay, anyways, I twisted up my hair because I was like, ooh, last day of quarantine, gotta go all out, gotta be fancy, gotta do a twist down, We're gonna start with doing my makeup. This is my makeup bag. I got this bag from church when I was like in middle school. And my makeup, a lot of it is from middle school also, so I feel like it's fitting. Brows are a must, like brows must. I usually do my brows with this. I took it from my job. It's called a Chinese marker. That's actually what it's called. I'm not being ignorant or racist. It's literally called a Chinese marker. It's not makeup. It's not for your eyebrows. It's not for your skin. But I use it for my skin. And it's actually a funny story because this guy at my job was like, oh, you could probably use that to do your brows. And then I was like, oh, bitch, you can. Snatch. I took that shit quick as hell, bro. Quick as fuck. Because it's lit. And then I used this brush that I took from my cousin when I was in like middle school. Hey, Rachel. And then I use this to like line my brows. Bro. Oh my God, leave me alone. And then I take my beauty blender that I got from my friend. If you guys can't tell, most of my makeup is from friends and family. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with foundation. Like, me and foundation, we have a love-hate relationship. Whenever I put on like any amount of foundation, like it starts looking like, And then I go in with this that I got from Target. Should I do my edges? Nah, let's calm down. I ain't doing all that. Then I go back in with the Pro Conceal, and then I go like this. Ow, oh my God. So my beauty blender is like falling apart, and I'm pretty sure a chunk just got in my eye, I'm not even kidding. Then I go in with this Sasha Buttercup that I got from my friend / cousin Victoria. And then I go in with this CoverGirl Outlast Active Cooling Setting Mist. Oh my fuck, it got up my nose. Fuck, I literally clogged my ear. Fuck. And in my mouth. Whoa, I'm really struggling. I go in with this mascara. I don't know the brand. It's rubbed off. I took it from my sister's makeup bag, so. Wait, oh my God, hold on. I need to blow my nose. Like that primer got in my fucking nostrils. And now I'm done. Psych, bitch. And then lips, just some chapstick, and then lip gloss. And then you're done. Really, let's go. Oh, my hair. All right. I'm gonna untwist my hair and then we're gonna go see the final product, all right? I need to get my pick so I can kind of like fluff it up, but let's go find some better lighting. Let's go to my bed so we can see how this looks and so we can move on to step 2, which is my nails. So let's go. All right, so it's cloudy out. The lighting in this video, bro, the lighting in this video is gonna be all over the place. I'm so sorry, but so step 1 of my last day of quarantine celebration is done. Now we're gonna do my nails. If you don't know, I'm a really bad nail biter if you can't tell. Stop, I know, bro, like my finger. So I literally went on Amazon. I keep supporting Jeff Bezos, but like it came the next day. So we're literally just gonna start putting these bitches on my fingers, in all honesty. They look like this. Aren't they cute, bro? They come with 2 patterns, one like marbly one and then just this like nude brown one. What's my vibe, bro? Wait, some of these look too small for my fat ass nails, so I don't know, bro, about that. These bitches barely fit my fat ass fingers, so I definitely need my middle finger, like the special marble one. They just look like the light. It's so bright that it just looks like I'm just putting on white nails. So whatever, you guys will see at the end. Real dick reverse. That's Amazon. No need to go to a fucking nail tech when you have Amazon. And you have Amazon. Yeah, look at. Do they think that everyone just has like tiny ass fucking fingers? I don't get it. You're fucking rude. Oh, I forgot how hard it was to do shit with nails. Okay. Oh shit. Oh my god. I'm okay. There we go. I think I used the thumb one for this finger. Can you see how this looks? Yeah, I have to take this off. Oh, it's not coming off. All right. Okay, it's fine. We're gonna just keep going. It's fine. Oh, this one's a little crooked. Does this look straight? No, it's fine. Ooh, on to the last one. Wait, bro, I literally, oh. All right, I'm done. The lighting's still a little trash, but I tried to fix it. Here are the nails. They're whatever, they're literally whatever. Like, you guys, I love having nails. I just can't do anything when I do have nails. Like, that's the problem. I don't know how I'm gonna type like on Tuesday. I have class on Tuesday, I don't know. These nails probably won't even last till Tuesday, like, not gonna lie. On to the next. The next thing we're gonna do is find an outfit. This is the thing, you guys. I don't have any clothes, pretty much. Like, I move around a lot. So, like, I don't just have, like, my entire closet. Even if I did have my entire closet, I still wouldn't really have clothes. Let's just go open my closet and see what dresses I have. Okay, so time to find something to wear. Yeah, just like I expected. There's nothing in here. Okay, no, that's not even a dress. Hell fucking no. Nah, I want some color. All right, so it's between these two. So we're really just gonna see whichever one looks better on me. Anyways, okay, red or blue? So there's this one. Oh! This dress or the red dress. They literally look exactly the same. I'm thinking, I don't know. Let me look in the mirror. I've decided to go with the blue one. I don't know, it's just more, I don't know. I'm just fucking with it more right now. I need to put on some earrings, bro. Should I put these on? These are also $3. What's the vibe? I'm gonna put these ones on.
Not very pretty, but we sure know how to run things.
What happened to Lord? Where is she? Bro, I fucked with her. I don't really have a chain. So we're just gonna go put on shoes. If you guys thought my closet was pitiful, just wait till you see my shoes. Yikes. All right, so it looks like these are the only ones that I could pretty much wear, these fucking church heels. So let's just put those on. You guys, my whole vagina is out right now, like literally, bush and all. Nails, check. Face, check. Earrings, check. Fit, check. Shoes, check. Oh, please don't let me fall. God, please. You know what's so funny? I used to never wear like tight dresses because I was just like, I'm too skinny and I have no ass and I have no hips and and it's just so sad because there's so many years I missed out on just like wearing whatever I wanted. And it's so funny because I used to never wear like skinny straps or strapless because I was just like, my shoulders are too broad, like because I have broad shoulders, you know, and I just used to be so insecure about that. And I just thank God that I've pretty much gotten over that. It just sucks so much how hard insecurities can hold you back, you guys. Like, please like try to work every day at like overcoming your insecurities because one, they're irrational. You're literally beautiful how you are. Two, if a bitch got a problem with it, if a bitch don't like you for you, kick that bitch to the curb. Like literally, it's that simple. Like literally, bro. All my skinny, no booty, no hip, broad shoulder ass bitches, go buy that pencil dress. You look gorgeous. And anyone who tells you otherwise is a cocksucker, so. And not the good type, not the good type. Now we're gonna go feast. All right, you guys, it's time to feast. Oh my gosh, now that I have nails, I can really scratch my armpits. Wow, this feels amazing. Okay, so it's my last day of quarantine and NYU gave us hella Grubhub money. Like they give a lot of money to people who are quarantining to like order food from Grubhub, right? So I have like hella money left over, but I said when I get out of quarantine, oh my God, bro, look, my nail. All right, so we'll see how many nails I'll have left by the end of this. Okay, so I just decided to order from my favorite restaurants, right? I got hella empanadas, bro. Hella empanadas. Empanadas for days, literally. From Empanada Mamas. I got a salad from SWEETGREEN. I love SWEETGREEN, bro. I feel like the fucking Travis got me. Yes, if you don't know, bro, I love Popeyes. I'm not even finna wait. Like, I really want to bite. And I did spicy. Oh my God, man. Huh? No, you guys, this wasn't a sign like contentment. It was a sign I got a bad batch, bro. It's just overcooked. It's tough. No. We'll try the thigh. It's still good though. The leg though. The leg. Sorry, sir. Maybe you guys should like try to see my food. Should I try to make you guys let you guys see my food? Because I did set it up so nicely. I got cranberry juice. Watered down. It tastes like, you know, those concentrates. Shake my head. Shake my fucking head. Oh my God, bro, why do I do this to myself? Like, why do I just literally, like, I don't even take breaks when I'm eating. Like, that's just like on some unnatural shit. But I don't give a fuck. And what's a celebration without water? Okay, this is the mac and cheese. Let's go. Spicy chicken. Wait, bro. Why are they doing this to me today? This is extra crispy, just like my Popeye's chicken. Watermelon lemonade. I do not know how I feel about the jerk chicken. I don't know. I don't know. Oh my God, I literally got alcohol in my eye. Oh my fucking God. Oh my God, what the hell? Oh my God, bro. That shit actually won't keep burning. I need water. It's fucking water I need. Ow, fuck. Ow. Do you see my fucking eye, bro? Like, I'm actually not kidding. Like, I didn't plan any of that. Like, I really didn't, and that shit stung like a motherfucker. Like, what the? Ow, bro, oh my God. I'm actually kind of scared, bro, because my eye hurts. Should I look this up? I just really wanted to celebrate my last fucking day in quarantine, bro. What the fuck is happening? Bro, okay. We're gonna put a pause on the food. I'm gonna wash my face. I'm gonna put my hair up, and I'm gonna put on a hoodie, and I'm gonna be back. Celebration is over. We're finna do a camibration. I'll figure it out. And we're back. I really just gonna hop right back in. Bombay. Bro, I forgot the ones I got last time. Like the ones I got last time, snap. Jerk cheese. Viagra. Only Viagra. Ethan is so fucking good, bro. Let's get the hell out of here. It's just so good, like you don't understand. Oh my god, this is the hardest biscuit ever. They're rude. I don't know what I don't understand what's going on today. Oh my god. Hold on. No, if I lay down I won't get up. I'm just so full and so tired. I'm proud of myself though, because I only lost 1 meal. Excuse me. I'm gonna go to bed. Oh,